Welcome back, everyone. I am back with a brand new topic, and I think that this is not so much talkative topic that you ever heard about it. And I assure that you don't know that topic that much, but today's topic is definitely concentrated about the mangrove restoration. Yes, you heard it right that we are today going to discuss about the mangroves life and mangroves forestation and restoration of the mangroves. We are going to talk about lots things over this topic because we have to save the coast, of course save the life. So today's topic is related to mangrove. Let's introduce this topic, and which is very important. And mangroves are very important ecosystem that actually grow in coastal areas and play a literally very crucial role in protecting the coast from the abrasion, erosion, climate change, high waves, and many more things. The threats according to the human activities what we are performing, like deforestation, urbanization, change in land use, make the mangrove increasingly threatened, which we don't have to do because mangrove are one of the major ecosystem that we are relying on currently. Mangrove restoration is actually a strategic solution to restore the ecosystem because it is very important for the coastal area as well. So that is all about the topic introduction. Now let's talk about it. What is mangrove? Why we are talking about it? Why it's so important to discuss about the mangrove? Mangroves are actually unique kind of ecosystem that have extraordinary ability to protect the coastline because they only have that area around the coastal part that where the mangroves grown up from the erosion. It actually protect the coastline from the erosion, large wave, and many more things. In addition, obviously mangrove functions as effective carbon sinks because it are very sinkable and very strong forestation along with the coast. So it definitely very important for the carbon sinks, making them a key player in the mitigating the climate change. Ecological functions of mangroves are also very important, like it protect the coast. Definitely it is present at the edge of the coast, absorbing carbon. They are a very dense forest, so definitely they absorb carbons a lot, providing habitat for various species. As I mentioned that they are very dense kind of a forest, so they are actually residing places of the lots of various species and animals. That's why ecological function of mangroves are very very important, that we can't ignore that thing. That's why mangroves are very important. Now what are the challenges that mangrove forests are facing currently? Actually mangrove deforestation due to the urbanization and the land conversion is one of the major threat that is affected the mangrove coastal areas. Second thing is climate change that oscillate the actually destruction of the coastal ecosystem, and at the end of the moment coastal area is gonna be affected. Third thing, lack of public awareness of the importance of the mangroves. I don't think so more people know that mangroves forestation is that much important that we have to even discuss in front of others. So definitely lack of public awareness is one of the major challenge that we are faced against the mangrove deforestation, and that's why we need that thing. Mangrove restoration is one of the very important strategy to just rely on. The loss of the mangroves due to the human activity and climate change actually threaten the coastal ecosystem, and coastal ecosystem is one of the major ecosystem that we are relying on. This challenge is definitely had to be addressed through the restoration, public education, reduction of the climate change, and definitely reduction of the urbanization and the land conversion along the area of the coastal line. So that we have to be represented and we have to know about it. Now next thing that we are going to discuss about the what are the benefit of the mangrove restoration. Actually, mangrove restoration provide many benefits from the coastal protecting to supporting the sustainability of the global ecosystem, which is very, very important. Mangrove also play a very important role, as I mentioned that they are very dense forests, so they absorb carbon and maintain the climate balance. That's why mangroves so forestation are one of the very important forestation in our whole ecosystem. And benefits, there are major benefits I can say that about the mangrove restoration. It definitely reduce the coastal abrasion and erosion. It increase the resilience to the climate change, which is very important. It provide the habitat for coastal flora and fauna, and of course it absorb the carbon and reduce the greenhouse gas emission. That is very much important in our day to day life as well. Now, what are the mangrove restoration strategy? Mangrove restoration strategy involve variety of things like replanting the trees and community based management, that is either of private or government funded. Technology is also used to continuously monitor the success of the restoration, that whether whatever we planted, is it growing, is it having the impact on that particular thing, is they blended together with the other mangrove forestation. So that kind of things are very important, and these are the key aspect I can say that which is involved in the mangrove restoration strategy. So there are some strategies that is given in front of you also, like identification of the critical coastal area, where you identify the area that is critically endangered from the core coastal areas, then you have to plant more mangrove trees at there. Second, replanting the mangrove using the science-based method, because there are lots of science-based best practices and method who can actually replant the mangroves by lots of strategies and by lots of method. Third is involve local communities in the restoration process. It is a very much important, because local communities know better than anyone else, so that's why they definitely help with the restoration process as well. Fourth is technology basis approach to monitor and evaluate the whole process and the whole strategy, whatever a government or a private sector do in the mangrove restoration. That definitely is very much important to do that and to approach all these things, are that these are all the things that we needed as a mangrove restoration strategies. Now next thing is that the role of the local communities in the restoration. I already mentioned that thing. This is one of the very important point actually. Local communities play a key player in the success of the mangrove restoration. Their education, their active involvement ensure that restoration program are effective and sustainable, because I already mentioned that they knew about the place more than anyone else, so that's why local communities has to be present there, and local communities plays a literally very good role in all these things. But there are actually major points. First is like mangrove based economic development, such as ecotourism. Ecotourism is one of the best concept I can say that today's generation. Education and the training of the coastal communities is also very much important, because coastal communities already know that thing, why the coastal areas, mangrove restoration, mangrove forest are important. Third is active involvement in planting and maintaining the mangroves are one of the very important thing that a local communities do. Whatever the things are done, have already done with the private sector or a public sector or government sector, whatever the things, that the role of the local communities is must, and we have to perform in that way as well. The next thing is that the future with the mangroves. What are the future with the mangroves? I can say that the mangrove restoration is an investment for the future, definitely. For the healthy ecosystem, the coast will be more resilient to the global changes, whatever the facing, or global warming or climate change, and it actually support the community welfare as well. So there are the major point that what are the future of the mangroves. First is more resilient coastline to the climate change. Second is it is a prosperous coastal communities through the economic benefit of the mangrove. And third is healthy ecosystem for the future generation, by just a reduction of the carbon sinks, and also by reducing the climate change as well. So definitely healthy ecosystem would be there if we actually save our mangroves. mangroves. So let's conclude the whole session. Mangrove restoration is not only a step to preserve the environment on the coastal areas, but also it is an investment for the sustainable future, which is very much important, which is the need of today's generation. By restoring healthy coastal system, we can protect the coast from the erosion, increase the biodiversity, and obviously support the well-being of the local community through the sustainable economic opportunities. So definitely the success of this efforts required collaboration between the government, community, local community, various related parties, and any other persons. Let's work together to protect and restore the mangroves to save the coastline, not only the coastline, but also the life in the future. It is very much important. I hope you get some new idea from this topic, and I know that you get a lot of knowledge from the thing that why mangroves are important. Let's conclude this session. Have a very nice day. We will meet soon with a brand new topic. Up to that moment, definitely happy learning.